Welcome to the warrior flow. Let's get it. Yeah. Coach Zach here, and in this video, we're doing a warrior flow that is more intermediate. So if you're just starting out with yoga, go ahead and check out the many other videos we have on this channel that break down some of these poses you're gonna be doing so you can fully master them, because this flow is gonna challenge you and it's gonna be maybe a little difficult for some of you. So I'm gonna offer you an easier version and then we're gonna add to it and get a little bit tougher. So to start, we're gonna come into child's pose. Coming down, hands and knees, bring your big toes together, knees wide, sink your hips back to your heels, bring your forehead down. Just take a few breaths here to tune in to the breath and how you're feeling in this moment. And when you're ready, on your next inhale, you're gonna roll up, you're gonna curl your toes, you're gonna lift your hips for downward facing dog. You can take a moment to kind of walk the feet out. And then find that stillness, reach your chest towards your thighs, lift up through your sitting bones. We'll take a deep breath in, reach the right leg up to the sky. And on your exhale, we'll step that right foot in between the hands. We'll bring that back heel down, and then we'll windmill the arms up into Virabhadrasana 2, Warrior 2. I have a whole video breaking down this specific posture. Check that out if you haven't already. So sink down, make sure knee is stacked over ankle, press the outer edge of that foot back. From here, we'll inhale, flip that front palm, reach it forward and back, reverse warrior. Really reach up and out of the rib cage, reach that right arm back, deep breath in. On your exhale, we'll come forward. We'll rest this right elbow on top of the knee and reach this left arm forward with the palm face down. Try not to collapse into the shoulder, so keep it nice and strong. Deep breath in, come back into that reverse warrior. Exhale, come into that extended side angle. We'll do one more inhale. And exhale. Inhale, reverse warrior. This time exhale, windmill the arms down. That back heel comes up. We'll step that right foot back. You can go right back into a downward dog, or you can move through a vinyasa, chaturanga, into upward facing dog. We'll all meet back in downward dog. We'll inhale, reach the left leg up to the sky. Exhale, step it through. Back heel comes down, up into warrior 2. Inhale, flip that front palm, reach it forward and back, reverse. Exhale, extended side angle. Reaching that right arm forward. Inhale, reaching that left arm back. Exhale, forward. One more. Inhale back into that reverse warrior. Exhale, windmill the arms down, step that left foot back, move through a vinyasa or just meet in downward facing dog. And then from here, we're gonna add on to it, maybe make it a little bit tougher for some of you. If it's too much, then just do the flow we just did, that reverse warrior to that extended side angle. From here, we'll inhale, reach it up. Exhale, bring it forward for warrior 2. We'll still come into that reverse warrior. Inhale. Again, if you need to, if you're more of a beginner, go back into that extended side angle, or on your exhale, we'll windmill the left arm down. That back heel comes up. Hand comes down as you reach that right arm up and look up into this lizard, or this lunge twist. Now here's the hard part. From here we're gonna inhale, we're gonna reach up. So reach up with that right arm, back heel comes down, windmill the arms, back into that reverse warrior. Exhale, twist, back heel comes down. Inhale, back into that reverse warrior. Exhale, last one. Inhale, back into that reverse warrior. And exhale, windmill the arms down. Step that right foot back, either move through a vinyasa or meet in downward dog. And we'll do the other side. Inhale, left leg reaches up. Exhale, bring it forward, back heel down. Inhale, windmill the arms, warrior two. Flip, reach, inhale. And then exhale, either that extended side angle or right hand comes down, heel comes up, left arm up. Inhale, come back up, reverse warrior. Exhale, back down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, windmill the arms down. Step that left foot back. Chaturanga or meet back in downward dog. And from here, we'll come back into that child's pose. And rest. Take some deep breaths. Again, if you're a beginner, you want to modify, just stick to that reverse warrior into that extended side angle. If you want to challenge yourself, then go from that warrior two into that twist, that dragonfly twist, lunge twist, whatever you want to call it. So if you watch this video and you were like, oh, that looks a little bit too difficult for where I'm at now, check out the many other videos we have in our yoga playlist on this channel. Like I said, we have videos for beginners to more advanced practitioners. We have videos breaking down some of these individual postures because yoga is all about the alignment, getting it down so you don't end up hurting yourself, as well as the breath. Many videos on the breath, yoga breath, or just breathing in general. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. I'm Coach Zach, and I'll see you next time. Namaste. Yeah.